Hi guys, quick video on splitting your pole and why. I've got a Gardner's SLX 35 pole here. I've had it quite a long time now, but I don't need the whole 35, I quickly realised, and it's another reason for having the pole hose on the outside. This is what I like to do. Now I've got an X-line brush on there with a side-to-side and reach it, okay, which I think is pretty good in weight. That's 400 grams with that side-to-side angle adapter and tubing on. Of course, you've got to remember you're going to have tubing the full length of the pole as well to add a little bit of weight as well, and when the water's in it, the water weighs something also, so it's going to add more weight. Okay, now altogether this working pole weighs about 2.5 kilos. You can see that. But when I split the pole, I only use the first few sections. I just use the first 3 to be quite honest with you, or should I say the 4. There's 4 sections here. Okay. Now when I weigh this, there's quite a substantial difference in weight saving. So there you go. I'm saving 1 kilo there, which is quite substantial across a day, a week, a month, etc, etc, etc. It makes such a difference. And the thing about this pole is it's super rigid, and with just these first 4 sections I can reach all the domestic work. Fantastic. In fact, I can reach everything on my round. I haven't got any like Victorian and that, etc. And it's really good, to be quite honest. Each section is 5 foot long, whereas you get another pole with the 5 foot sections. This is better. You get used to the extra length of each section. That means you don't have to carry as many sections with you, so it actually saves weight and improves rigidity. Because as I said in other videos, I don't use the full length of each section unless I have to. I'll probably do another video and demonstrate the difference, which is fantastic. If you get a shorter pole like this and you max out each section, it really becomes quite wobbly. So I do recommend poles with longer sections like this. Quite like it, but you do get used to it. So that's it basically. That's all I want to say, as the weight saving is quite substantial, and it's ended up like the greyhound of poles for me. It's fantastic. And of course it doesn't take 2 minutes just to put the extra sections back on. Get it back out of the car, you'll know your own round when you need to. So there you go. That's another job done.